What's happening, guys? We're gonna be doing some sanding today, and this is after the first video you saw. We did a bunch of paint removing. We're gonna be starting off with the 80 grit, the 150 grit, the 220 grit. You know, you get a little residue here, so sandpaper is gonna be awesome. But so far, this is what we're looking like, and I'll show you each how each grit looks like once you're getting it knocked out. So let's get to work. And this is the 80 grit. Trying to zoom in a little bit so you guys a better look. That's the 80 grit paper. Just put it here in the sun and see better. That's the 80 grit. We'll keep going up and up and up. This is the 150 grit. It's really going into the paint and into the metal. I don't know how many coats this had before, but I saw 4 coats. Green, gray, white, and then like a darker grayish, so it was full of coats. And then after doing the 3-step, the 220 is the last, obviously, step 3. And I'm not no professional painter or anything, or professional stripper, but you start getting some really decent results, and just kind of continue for as far as you see fit and what you're gonna need. And trust me, after a good primer coat, slap a few of those on there, it'll be beautiful. It'll stick to anything. And any imperfections that you might have created while sanding, sand them down with the 220 and you'll be good to go. I mean, this looks pretty decent.